Oh my goodness, here we go. We get started. This is our Super Sunday pre-Cyber Monday sale, whatever you want to call it, but this is going to be fun. So here's what we've done, you guys. This is these are beautiful fabrics, all $14.99. Talk about giveaway. This is just going to be fun. I'll show them to you. Okay, so most are brand new, some are some repeats, but most everything I wanted to have a little bit of volume on. So we go back to this is 100% cotton, and these two fabrics are opposites of one another. They're just absolutely beautiful. They're velvet. So one is, you know, I'll just hold them next to each other. They're both 100% cotton. They're woven. So I just want you to see, beautiful for a little jacket, pair of pants that coordinates. One has more velvety touch to it than the other, so you can just decide, but they're just fun to use together, and they are beautiful. Just so beautiful. Both, like I said, 100% cotton. $14.99 giveaway price. This is a scuba. It's a lightweight scuba. It has stretch in one direction. Not a lot of stretch, just a little bit of stretch. It's a black background with a little bit of brown speck to it. Really pretty, but that brown speck just happens to go beautifully with this Pontoroma. This is a brown Pontoroma, 100% cotton, stretch in one direction. We're stretching both directions. I'm wrong on that. 100% cotton. It goes beautifully with this. $14.99. Then it also pairs well with this viscose. This is a viscose woven, 100% viscose woven. That's from Italy. Look at how beautiful that goes with that brown. It just pairs lovely. And then, if you notice, there's like a little stripe in here. These are called circles, stripes, and dots. There's a little orange in there. It's orange, but it's pink. It depends on what you put it next to. And it blends beautifully with this cotton corduroy. This is 100% cotton. It's a corduroy. It's like a suede pink, a dark pink. It'd be so pretty for a jacket or a pair of pants. You could do anything with that. 100% cotton, stretch in one direction. This is just a gorgeous piece of fabric. $14.99 is ridiculous. It gets even worse because here you have a printed denim. This is 100% cotton. It's a printed stretch denim in one direction. Is that adorable? So cute. So you could do jacket and pants or pants and jacket. You can do however you want, but it is adorable. And it lends itself to this beautiful kind of burgundy color. This is 100% viscose, and if I had to tell you the most perfect, that's not true. The most perfect fabric of the year, this would be it. This has stretch in one direction. It's a stretch woven. It has beautiful drape. This will just make you look pounds skinnier. It is absolutely gorgeous for $14.99. It's the most ridiculous price on the planet, but it really blends beautifully with this kind of a brown to it. This has the same color in the background. It's a cotton poly burgundy. It has a stretch in one direction. This has a print to it, kind of a zigzag almost to it. Really beautiful. Stretch in one direction, cotton poly, and then the last one, I couldn't help but put this one in because it ties in so beautifully with them both. So this is 100% wool. It has stretch in both directions. Is it? Yeah. No, just one direction. Sorry, one direction. And it's just beautiful, and it looks good with so many of them. You can see it ties in with the corduroy. It ties in with the brown. It just keeps going. So anyway, all of them, we did really good pictures, so you can hopefully see all of them. You guys, thanks so much for just being the best customers on the planet. $14.99. It is today only. All right, happy sewing.